A story with no spoken words but a powerful message that speaks straight to the heart. On World Conservation Day, we are reminded that the earth is not just our home, it is our responsibility. Every tree we plant, every piece of trash we pick, every drop of water we save matters. Yes, it matters. In this play, you will meet Arav, a boy who didn't care for nature until one dream changed everything. So watch it attentively and listen to the message of nature, spoken not through voices but through actions. One sunny morning, a young girl arrived at the park with a sapling in hand. She gently dug a hole, placed the tiny plant, and patted the soil with care. But then Arav came, a careless boy who didn't care for nature. Later that day, Arav sat under a tree and fell asleep. But what he saw in his dream changed him forever. In the dream, the earth and tree appeared. They looked sad and weak. They showed Arav the damage caused by humans, pollution, deforestation, and dying animals. The earth and tree didn't shout, they simply showed the truth. Arav understood. His heart changed. He promised to care, to act, and not to harm nature again. Arav picked up trash and watered plants.